Hey everyone, welcome back to the makeup chair. Today I'm going to talk you guys through how to use this brush. This brush is part of the Blind Chemist Cosmetics Marble and Rose magnet set. So it has a little magnet at the bottom and it also comes with a frame, which is great for displaying your brushes, stopping them from rolling around, but it's also great for drying. So just wash them and hang them up to dry. It's one of my favorite sets. I'm going to talk you guys through how to use each brush from this set. Check out the information box for more details on that, and let's get started with this brush.
So the very first way that I like to use this brush is to cut the crease. And what I do is I pick up a little bit of a very thin consistency concealer onto the brush, and then I very lightly squeeze it between my hands to take off the excess, but also to give us a really sharp brush edge. And you don't have to waste any product because you can always pick it up just on the tip of the brush. And this will give you a perfect line, but also a really sharp line for doing your cut crease. So I start on the very center of the lid, and I work along the lash line to begin with. Now I have slightly hooded eyes, so I have to keep my eyes slightly closed when I do this. And I just cover the lid area just where it meets the crease. And then I take my ring finger and just tap off the excess. Another way that I like to use this is to hold it like a pen, keep my pinky out for a little bit of support, and I'll sharpen up my liner with this. So I draw a line underneath the liner and then pull slightly downwards. And this will blend it back in with the skin and give you a sharp line. The next way is to sharpen up the brows. So once I fill in my brows, sometimes I can kind of overline them a little bit, but going around it with a little bit of concealer will give you that perfect sharp line. Because sometimes it's not about filling in your brows, but just about giving a clean line around the brows. And this brush is so flat, it allows you to get really close to those brows. Another way to use it is to sharpen up the lip line. So I use my little pinky as support, I pick up a little bit of concealer, and I just go around the lips. And it's also great for applying a little bit of gloss or a little bit of concealer if the lipstick is a little too dark. Just tap it on that center point and blend it out with your fingertips. Out of all the techniques though, cutting the crease would be one of my favorites.
And that is how to use this brush, but if you have any more questions, definitely let me know. I'm always here to help. Make sure to give this video a like if you learned something and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!